All his life, Robert Swanson was seen as the outcast, unwanted. His dad left him as a child, and his brothers bullied him constantly. His classmates thought he was a nerd and a turkey. No one accepted him as himself except his only friend. Every day, Robert wished he could fit in with everyone. All he truly wanted was to be like the cool kids.
Is everyone here?
I'm here.
Oh, look, it's a turkey. He's so ratchet.
At least he's actually passing class. Don't worry about them. They think they're better than everybody else.
Thanks, Zoe.
Class dismissed. We don't want you here. Can't you take a hint, turkey? Leave him alone. He's not causing any harm. He's so disgusting.
We're so much better than him. Why are you even friends with him, Zoe?
He may not be pretty, but he has very good disposition. You're so ugly.
Is it really that noticeable?
No, you're fine.
They just don't like me because I'm unpopular.
You'll be fine. Well, gotta go to class now. See you after school.
After that day, Robert thought it would be best to change classes. And the next day, he did.
Who are you? You're a nerd. But I guess if you don't try and date my best friend, you're okay.
I have no plans for that. I just want to be in a class that actually likes me.
You're hideous. But some of my friends might actually find you attractive. Come with me.
I think I'll pass on that.
You're too much of a wimp to fight me.
I guess even the bullies don't want to hang out around me. It's a good thing I'm a nerd.
Who are you?
I'm the new student.
Oh, what a prize. Maybe you're smart enough to actually teach something to this class. We'll have to wait and see.
Can you raise your back purr throughout sparks?
Wait, what?
Exactly. So you have no right to express an opinion when sensible people are speaking, you nerd.
I just want to be normal. Why don't you understand me?
We don't understand you? Who would understand you, I wonder? Do you think you're more clever than the class or the teacher? I don't even compare you to myself. So, I'll give you a little friendly advice. Either you start doing things differently or you'll be the same forever.
I should get to my next class.
Seems like Robert isn't going to show my class anything. Maybe my hopes on him won't pay off.
Class, take a seat and read the paper on your desk.
I wish I could be like him.
Robert longed to be like the president, successful and using his abilities to help people.
I wish I mattered to people, but all everyone does is stay away from me. Why?
In local news, Greenville elects Robert Swanson as mayor. He is the youngest mayor this town has ever had, but his IQ is larger than that of any mayor before him.
And in statewide news, Robert Swanson is elected to governor as the smartest governor in the state's history. He won by a landslide. primarily due to the high voters turnout by really smart people.
In national news, Robert Swanson wins presidential election by 100%. Experts say he won because Americans felt like he was one of them. Congratulations, Robert Swanson.
I never dreamed of such happiness like this while I was an ugly duckling.
You'll be fine. Well, I gotta go to class now. See you at school. Who are you?
I'm the new student.
Oh, what a prize. Baby, you're smart.
Come on in.
Action.
Can you raise your back, curve, so it sparks? Exactly. So you have no right to express your feelings or speak. Action.
Leave him alone. He's not doing me any harm.
He's so disgusting.
What? What?
Too much.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, No, trap moving. Go ahead, tell me every inch of you was perfect from the bottom to the top.